we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Italian racing and road car maker and performance division, now part of the Fiat Chrysler group. So how do you go about pronouncing it? The Italians, for reference, say it as Abarth, Abarth. In English, however, it is usually said as Abarth, Abarth, or in Italian, Abarth. Pretty straightforward once you know Abarth in English, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more car brand names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.